Ain't no time to play in. War, 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 war.
8 urban celebrities battle it out to learn the tikanga of the Pacific in order to not be the most plastic poly present. Oh, and win this mean-ass prize. An adventure weekend for 2 in Rotorua, staying at the luxurious Millennium Hotel with a Kaitiaki Adventures package, some Zorb action, a day at the Polynesian Spa, and a show in Hangi at Mitai Māori Village. How much do you know about your Pacific culture? It's time to ditch the digital and learn the traditional. So get ready. 'Cause Know Your Roots is back, baby! Chahoo!
It's the finals. I'm here. That's what I manifested. That's what I knew was going to happen, and the game has gone according to my own plan.
It feels really cool and beautiful and quite fatalistic that the final challenge, it's here in Mitai, in the heart of Rotorua. I feel very lucky to be here.
I love this. Like, this is so cool. Like, I want to learn more. I am so proud of myself making this grand final.
I'm seeing miniature mirais, fires, a lot of statues around, maybe a hangi pit. I have no clue what's going to go on. Maybe we do the kapaka.
So I walk into the Māori village and I'm like, ooh. So I'm thinking that we might be like making a waka. We'd be able to, like, you know, sail our waka and then find our way back to Hawaii or something. Wonder what we're doing.
It's the Māori challenge! Yes, boy! That's what I'm thinking. I'm so excited. I'm so excited. Now is my time to shine.
Akushla's Māori, so I feel like she might be at an advantage. But this is my land.
Terrell plays it dumb because he is dumb. I'm fine.
All I want to do is just beat Terrell. But if I don't at least win the final, I need to beat Terrell at least. He can't win.
Elvis, his game is something I haven't been paying attention to because I didn't think I needed to. I thought he would have been more of a first round exit, but you know what? I should have paid more attention.
Oh, he's not really a threat, so it doesn't really matter. Now the new threat is Akushla, because she's Māori. She's from Aotearoa. We're not, so it's like, oh my goodness. We need to get rid of Kushla now.
Akushla would be the most plastic poly in this whole competition.
I mean, I've been nervous about Elvis since week 1. I had a feeling he was going to come and swipe it out, so Terrell, no. But Elvis, maybe. Then Terrell wins. Hope not.
Mauri ora e te whānau and ka rawe to you 3 for making it to the Know Your Roots Grand Final.
Yes! Oh. I hear a Māori ora. I feel very comfortable here.
Welcome to Te Arawa territory, here in the heart of Rotorua.
I have no clue what Te Arawa means. Maybe it's the suburb.
Today, one of you will be crowned champ and will finally be able to cut me in on that amazing prize pack. Ngā mihi.
Nah.
But no matter what, all 3 of you can go home proud, knowing none of you are plastic polys.
I'm going to win because I'm the smartest. I'm the strongest, I'm the fastest, and the smartest.
Now, you've probably figured it out, but today's challenge will be immersed in Te Ao Māori.
Yes!
Akushla's excited.
Kushla, I'm coming for you now. You should win this, or else you're going to disgrace Aotearoa if you don't win. Yeah, no, she's cancelled if she doesn't win.
Elvis, you're of Tongan descent. How much do you know about Māori culture?
I was actually the Māori leader when I was in intermediate school.
Yeah.
But I didn't get the awards. But hey, I think I know a little bit about it.
I'm pretty sure he's Tongan, so I'm not sure what that's about.
Terrell, you've come a long way, bro. Last year, you were the first eliminated. This year, you're in the final. Do you feel that you've redeemed yourself?
Yeah, I think I have, but I'm also feeling pretty confident. I did kabak in intermediate, but I got the award, so...
Liar.
Yeah, Elvis didn't win the Māori Award in intermediate. I actually won it in intermediate, high school, and university, and got my PhD in kapaka at the age of 16.
Terrell is being cocky as per usual, but it's all talk. I want to see him walk the walk.
Akushla, we know
Kia ora.
you've been looking forward to a Māori challenge.
Yep.
You know what they say, be careful what you wish for. Do you
I know.
now feel a bit of added pressure?
Yes, because if I don't win this challenge, I can't go home. I'm going to have to move out, go back to the UK. Pressure's on.
No excuses for her. She's still Māori, so she should still know a little bit more of the culture.
Wow. Today,
Yep.
you'll be competing
Yep.
in a treasure hunt and puzzle building challenge.
Oh, puzzles.
Puzzles.
Now, I spent the majority of my childhood doing both of those things, so hello, grand finale winner.
In regards to like treasure hunts, we actually didn't grow up doing the Easter egg hunt. We did the noodle hunt. We looked for 2-minute noodles around the house and we couldn't even eat them. It was just find the noodles and put them back. We had a sad upbringing.
You will each be given 5 clues. Using the key code, you must decipher 1 clue at a time.
I know what a key code is because I've actually broken into a lot of cars.
The word that you decipher will point you towards a tiki, which you must hunt out. Once you have collected all 5 of your tiki, you can move on to your final task, where you must complete a Know Your Roots puzzle. The winner will be the first freshie to correctly complete this puzzle and will be crowned the Know Your Roots champ.
Woohoo!
We are here in Mitai Māori Village, a replica of how our tūpuna lived before the Europeans came. You enter the village through the waharoa. You can see the whare that housed the iwi. You can see the moinga that they slept on.
Ollie starts chatting about all the different features, and I'm still thinking about the puzzle challenge, and then I realise there's probably a clue in this, and I've completely missed it.
The pātaka up on stilts, used to store kai and keep it safe from pests.
I know pātaka because there's a pātaka cupboard around South Auckland where they put food in, so I know that that's something to do with food.
You can see the ahi kā, used to keep warm and for cooking kai. You can find po scattered all around the pā, used to pay homage to our ancestors and mark out certain areas. And you can even find an awa or pukaki, used for transport, fishing and drinking water.
I'm a little bit nervous that there are a few new kupuhau, new words that I don't know, because they're definitely going to be part of this challenge. If I can't get them, I'm out.
I like the language that they speak. Like, ko awas toku ingoa, that's what I know. Aporo, aroha mai, and I also know the word for drama, so today's going to be rari raru.
I'm going to win. Akushla's going to come second and Elvis last. There's no other way I can go.
You'll be competing in a treasure hunt and puzzle building challenge. You will each be given 5 clues. Whare, pātaka, ahi kā, po, pukaki. The word that you decipher will point you towards a tiki. Once you have collected all 5 of your tiki, you must complete a Know Your Roots puzzle. The winner will be the first freshie to correctly complete this puzzle. Well, I hope you were paying attention to that kōrero, because everything you need to know to figure out your clues was just revealed to you.
I remember nothing Ollie was talking about. I got distracted by his beautiful eyes.
This is it, the last wero. Toru, rua, tahi, teimata!
I get down on the ground, get down and dirty, you know, I'm used to that.
Just jumped straight down onto my mat and I open up my first envelope. And inside are just all these symbols. So I look at my code sheet and I get started.
Hey, what do I do with this? I'm confused.
We've got a poi, we've got a taiaha, we've got like a million different tiki faces.
I'm looking at it.
What? Balloon?
I can't tell what it means.
A lot of different symbols and a lot of them look very similar.
Excuse me, guys, you saboted me, I'm blind. You have the letters like smaller than a hobbit.
First word I get is ahi kā. I need to find a fire.
The first word that I get is po. I have no clue what that means. I think it means tiki, or like it's the statue thing.
So the first fire I'm thinking about is these fires over here. Cannot find it anywhere. So I decide to run out the door and see if there's another one out there. There are like 3 different paths I can take. I'm not entirely sure which way to go. This is going to be a really, really, really hard challenge.
I found one, but I feel like this is not my clue for this round.
So ehua, I don't know what an ehua is. So I'm running around yelling ehore, like looking for ehore. I have no idea what an ehua is.
Maybe you need to check your clue again.
He said, maybe you should double check your spelling. And I was like, excuse me? Ehore. And I'm like, look at it properly. I'm like, ah.
I see Elvis's board, and he has a very intriguing way to spell whare.
And I'm like, whare. Oh my gosh, whare. So then I'm looking for a whare. Found it. Yes.
I go down to the river, there's a bridge, and there's a po.
Yes.
Find it. Happy as, because I honestly didn't expect to find it.
Yes, boy.
So I open my next clue, and I spelled it wrong as well. My spelling is atrocious right now.
I'm starting to look at this clue. It looks like whare. I kind of guessed it. I ran straight up to the whare, went inside, boom, I'm already on the 3rd one.
A hooker reminds me of like hook, and like hook is like fishing. So I'm like, I'm gonna wander down to the pond and have a look if there's a little fish there I can find, because there's plenty of fish in the sea, they said. Oh, look at that. Oh, look, there's my tiki. Hello.
I've got W-H-A. This is going to be whare.
I had to go over and over because I think I get mistaken A for the I and the A's for the E's. They all look the same. I get the word ahika.
So I came back, they're like, double check. Is that tiki for the right one?
Well, I can tell you, that's not a clue.
Excuse me? And so it's like, oh, it's ahika. It's the damn fire. So I was 5 steps ahead at this stage with my clues, and I was like, oh my gosh. And now I'm going out to look for ahika.
I go to one, I go to another, I go to a third, I go to a fourth, I go to every whare in here. It's not there. Gonna be back over there.
Right in front of me, there's fire. Check it out. But I was kind of doubting that they would be there because they'd burn if it wasn't real fire. I knew that there was a fire substitute down the other way.
So I head over to the other village, and I can just see so many whare. So 1, 2, 3, 4. I go to every single one, and I cannot find it anywhere.
Oh my gosh.
My first one, I checked, nothing there. Second one, nothing there. Third one, out in the open. Ran straight back. And now I'm on tiki number 4.
It's Pātaka, like I said, it's my favorite because I know this one.
Pātaka. I'm not too sure what it means, but I know what it is, and it's where the food is hidden from pests.
Genuinely so tired. I've been sprinting everywhere. I think I'm out of the competition.
So I open my 4th one. I'm like, yeah, this is a po. I know what this is. And Ollie's like, Alvis, do you know what a po is? And I was like, excuse me, I know what this is. Thank you.
I'm looking at all the pātakas. Yeah, I can't find anything. I'm just looking.
I know where to go. So I think I saw it earlier on when I was running around.
Planning on buying one of these whare kush.
I'm still looking for my second tiki, and I can see the boys have already got 3 or 4. They are speeding through theirs. I'm so far behind.
I found it, and it was down by the river.
But my mum always taught me, keep going. It's not over till it's over.
Checked all of them about 3-4 times. You know, I was doing my look. I was like, how would my mum look for this? Boom. Look, it's there. Found it straight away.
So I go back to the second village, and I have another look. And what do I see? A little yellow tiki literally sitting right by the doorway. How did I miss that? But I've got my second one. Time to get my third clue.
So remember how I skipped my clues? So when I came back, I found all my clues at that stage. I was like, yes! I just pretended to open the last clue, even though I knew I already got it, just to pretend to write it. I'm like, oh no! And then I was like, I found all my clues. And then it was my turn to start the puzzles.
I go straight to the pātaka in the first village. Thankfully, it's in the first one that I see.
I get back, open up clue number 5. The word is pukaki, river.
So I grab envelope number 4, and inside, there are only 3 symbols. This is Po.
Boom! Boom, grab it, and then I just sprint.
There are so many Po.
I'm running, cool, I'm coming first. I feel like I've already won at this moment.
I check all the Po. No tiki.
I get back, and Elvis is already doing the puzzle. I was shocked.
Terrell, puzzle time.
Now I'm like, oh, I'm out the game again. It's funny all over again, isn't it?
I'm like Usain Bolt right now in this challenge. I'm like ahead of everyone else in the Olympics.
I know already what the puzzle is. It's the Know Your Roots logo.
I decide to come back to village number 1, and on the way, I see 2 Po.
I'm not too sure whether it goes sideways or it's going up or going down.
There's a little yellow tiki. I don't even stop. I sprint, I grab, and continue running.
Oh, Elvis, slow and steady wins the race.
I'm losing faith, I'm losing confidence, and I'm definitely losing my cool.
While doing this puzzle, I realized that Kush is not even here.
I'm so far behind.
The winner will be the first freshie to correctly complete this puzzle.
I'm losing faith, I'm losing confidence, and I'm definitely losing my cool.
Slow and steady wins the race.
While doing this puzzle, I realized that Kush is not even here.
I'm so far behind.
Akushla, what's your final clue?
Pukawa.
So I've seen the boys sprint past the river. I know exactly where to go.
If I'm wrong, I'll be mad.
I can hear her screaming like she's angry. The more she gets angry, the more happier I get.
I finally get the raft out the water and I try to untie my tiki. I am running out of time. I just grab that raft and boost.
Oh my gosh, my sissy, Cushy's not back. She's not here. Like, this is the final part. Get home, sissy, get home.
So the raft's too big, but I throw it on the corner anyway. I've got 5 tiki there. Time to do my puzzle.
Kushla's just got here. I'm pretty much finished. I've got this in the bag.
So obviously there's a black pattern that we need to sort out, but I've also seen on the background there's a lighter pattern with the yellow. So I realise that's going to be really important if I'm going to solve this puzzle.
Oh my gosh, I'm not even quiche right now.
Elvis has lost. I'm looking at him like, bro, what is this guy doing?
I'm gonna show you guys.
This is the true equalizer. I am starting to gain ground right now. I'm still in the game.
The black ones were easier because it was solid, but the ones at the back, they just weren't matching up.
Could I check?
Terrell wants a check.
I asked for a check.
Well, Terrell,
My heart is racing. I really hope he's wrong.
as you can see, there are background patterns, and this is still incomplete.
I knew that. I was just checking.
Shame, Tara, that's what you get, you bots.
I have never felt more happy in my life. I keep going. It just spurs me on.
I feel like I just need to make one change. One change is all it's going to take, and then we're going to be there. I've got this in the back.
Elvis is catching up now.
If I can focus and pick up my pace, I could take this out.
All right, it's anyone's game now. First person to call time and have it right is gonna take it out.
Ollie, I'm still here talking. Stop it. I'm just trying to get through this.
I look over, she's going at it, and I'm like, no way. Nah. I still got this. I still got this.
Terrell, Akushla, it's neck and neck.
Time?
So I call time, and my heart is pounding.
Akushla's called for a check. She's got the black part of the pattern correct. And she actually has the entire...
Akosha, you are our Know Your Roots champion!
I won! Oh, I am so happy.
I've been through a lot. I've had a lot of struggles. Kushla, you won, but you don't deserve it. I'm just glad I got awarded second place and Elvis got third. That's an accomplishment for me and, you know, all my family.
Kushi, I'd just like to say well done. Congratulations, all my love from me, and well done.
Akushla Tara, congratulations on being our Know Your Roots champion!
It's an honor to win this competition, and it is an honor to now be the proud kaitiaki of something so beautiful.
Yeah, Kusha's got a poi or a paddle from Ollie. She's won, you know, I'm happy for her. But I've actually got a 21st key that looks similar.
This competition has been so much fun. I have learnt so much about other cultures, about my own culture.
This show has been mean. Like, I've actually made really good friends with everyone. I don't feel like they like me back though. I may look like the villain, but that was just for the TV show. I'm not actually like that. I'm a really nice guy. Elvis, you've come third.
You didn't come second. I'm sure you told New Zealand that. No, you didn't, Sissy.
Maybe next time you'll do better.
I'm just really... I'm just really happy. This has been really fun. And like, it's a competition, but I feel like I've learned so much, you know, about this country that we live in and the people that live in it with me. It's just been a beautiful journey.
Aloha Fresh.
Kia ora, the freshies.
Aloha Fresh.
So you might want to try a couple of other gyms.
He's like, nah, I like it right here. And I never left.
You're watching Fresh TV, the final episode for the year.
What would I say to my younger self? That everything's gonna be okay. You're gonna meet taller guys.
Choose your character.
It's the fresh bunnies of the year.
How fresh are you?
Congratulations. Give yourself a pat on the face.
Here are some of our best parodies from 2020. Let's go!
Do you want to see me get changed into my private investigation gears?
No.
Kia ora, Bruce. I'm auditioning for Cork.
Only those who are worthy can read the scroll.